So you are interested in NutriBullet NBR1201? No doubt it is a wise choice, and it is one of the top 5 countertop blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 countertop blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the NutriBullet NBR1201. The NutriBullet NBR1201 may be the most overlooked countertop blender on the market. The NutriBullet NBR12 is portable, safe for kids, easy to use, and effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, superfoods, and protein shakes into a delicious, smooth texture. The NutriBullet's power, patented blade design, and cyclonic action combine to extract all of the nutrients from your food, helping you to achieve the healthiest lifestyle possible today. NutriBullet's sharp blades and powerful 600-watt motor effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and so much more into nutritious smoothies, simply and deliciously delivering key nutrients to your body. Just push, twist, and blend to make almost any smoothie in under 60 seconds. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.